Hello, it's Wednesday, June the 29th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar declined against most of the major currencies amid demand for higher yielding assets. Also optimism that European nations will take action to prevent a Greek default didn't provide sufficient reason for investors to buy the US dollar. Stock markets closed positive as the Dow rose by 1.21% and the Nasdaq gained 1.53%. Crude strengthened by 2.08% on news that Greek creditors may be able to reach an agreement that will prevent a default to close at $93 a barrel. Gold strengthened by 0.10% and closed at $1,501 an ounce, as a weaker dollar spurred demand for the metal as an alternative investment. The euro strengthened against the US dollar for the second day on speculation Greece's parliament will approve an austerity package needed to ensure more financial aid. Greek lawmakers will vote today on the austerity package and vote later on a measure implementing it. Trading above support at 143 will keep the momentum bullish for the pair, but should it break below, it might extend to 141. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a 141.15 and a high of 144.41. The pound strengthened against the greenback due to a weaker dollar around the globe, despite concern over the UK's economic outlook. In addition, the currency stayed lower after a government report showed Britain's current account gap narrowed less than economists estimated. At the moment, the trend for the pair is bearish. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.12 and a high of 162.62. Today, net lending to individuals is expected to rise by 1.2 billion as previously. The dollar strengthened against the yen as US Treasury yields jumped. If the pair succeeds in breaking resistance at 81.20, it may bring it to 82.50. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar now. This strengthened against its US counterpart for the second day after global stocks and raw materials, including crude oil, rose on speculation Greece will adopt an austerity package to avoid default. The trend seems to be bearish and the pair may test its support of 0.9820. Core CPI is expected today to grow by 0.20% as previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.